The final task in the restroom is to clean the floors. The floor should have been swept after you completed the surface dusting. To clean floors, use a standard or microfiber mopping system with cleaning disinfectant. Follow manufacturer recommendations when preparing the disinfectant floor cleaner. It's recommended that you flood mop restroom floors at least 1 time per month to thoroughly clean grout lines, etc., and kill any odor-causing bacteria. With the flat mop applicator, spray solution onto the floor as you mop. Mop areas closest to the walls first. Wipe excess solution off the floor using a figure-8 motion. When mopping the floor, try not to splash solution on the baseboards. If you see splash marks after you've mopped, be sure to wipe them off. Mop the remaining floor starting with an area farthest from the door. You want to avoid having to walk over an area you just mopped. Mop the floor while moving backwards towards the door. Basically, you want to mop yourself out of the room. Remember to reapply solution and wring excess solution out of the mop, especially in larger restrooms. Change flat mop head as it becomes soiled if necessary. Leave the wet floor sign in the entryway until the floor is completely dry. In some of the restrooms you clean, you may notice an unpleasant odor. If you do, the source of the odor could be the floor drain. A dry water trap in the drain can cause sewer gas to enter the room. One method of prevention is to periodically pour a disinfectant down the floor drain. Finally, make a final check of the room and complete any tasks you may have missed. Remove the wet floor sign only when the floor has completely dried.
Let's quickly review the steps to mop the floor. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations when mixing the disinfecting solution. Mop areas closest to the walls first. Mop your way out of the room. Mop using a figure-8 motion to pick up excess solution. Reapply solution frequently. Finally, look around the room to be sure you've completed all the cleaning. And remove the wet floor sign only after the floor is thoroughly dried.
When you have finished cleaning the restroom, return your service tray or cart to the cleaning closet. If using a microfiber flat mopping system, clean according to the manufacturer's instructions. Check cleaning solution bottles and refill if necessary. Remember to return the equipment to its proper place. Make your job easier by restocking your cleaning cart with chemicals and consumables in preparation for the next scheduled clean. Note items needing to be replenished and order according to your location's procedures. Carefully remove personal protective equipment, disposing of any disposable PPE into a closed bin and wiping down reusable goggles with a disinfectant wipe. And wash your hands thoroughly with soap and warm water for a minimum of 20 seconds. By keeping the closet neat, clean, and organized, you'll not only make your job easier, you'll also make a good impression on your client.
Let's recap the key tasks of restroom cleaning. Replenish consumables as needed. Empty trash and disinfect receptacles. Pick up debris. Dust vents and partitions. Flush toilets and urinals. Surface clean stalls and walls. Sweep the floor. Clean and disinfect toilets and urinals, both inside and out. Clean mirrors. Clean and disinfect sinks and counters. Clean and polish brightwork. Mop the floor. Make sure all tasks are completed and leave out signs until the floor is dry. Thoroughly clean your equipment, return to storage, and restock your cart to prepare for the next scheduled cleaning. And finally, remove personal protective equipment and wash your hands thoroughly with warm water and soap.
Remember, your work will be checked by your client. Everyone benefits from a clean, stocked, and professionally serviced restroom.
As we stated at the beginning of training, restroom cleanliness is important. People often judge the cleanliness of an entire building by how clean the restrooms are. Following these procedures will ensure that restrooms can be used confidently every day by tenants and visitors alike.